Don't ever do that again. Jeez, calm down. It was just his sneeze. Nice and cold. Hey, bro, you better watch where you're sneezing. Oh, yes, sorry. Use your arm.